Good day, everyone. I am Angel Kisha Arcenal, and today I will be talking about human computer interaction. So, we all know that computers make it possible for people, businesses, and customers to use digital products and services in new ways. So, the user experience designers or UX designers use the idea of human computer interaction to make sure that people have good experiences. So, if you know what human computer interaction is, then you can learn more about the UX design process and how it can be used in the real world. So, in this video, we will talk about what HCI means and why is it important. So, what is HCI? So, HCI is a cross-disciplinary area in engineering, psychology, ergonomics, and design that deals with the theory, design, implementation, and evaluation of the ways that humans use and interact with computing devices. So, in short, it is the study of how humans use your computer technology. So it also includes the design, implementation, and analysis of various user interfaces. So this idea is researched by the UX designers or the user experience designers and other professionals working in the technology sector in order to enhance the user experience for people who use computers and other technical devices. So here we have components of HCI. So we have three components, namely user, computer, and interaction. So the term HCI or human computer interface refers to a system that has three components. So it is seen in the slide that we have the user, computer, and the interaction. So the user, when we discuss HCI, the typical image that comes to mind is not a single user sitting in front of a desktop computer. It is also possible that when we say user, we are referring to a single user, a group of users who are cooperating with one another, or even a series of users inside an organization. So each of whom is associated with some aspect of the work or the progress. So the person who is attempting to do the task with the assistance of the technology is called the user. So the computer, when we talk about the computer, we are referring to any technology that can be classified as a computer. So this includes the desktop computers, large-scale computer systems, and embedded systems. So for instance, if we were talking about how to create a website, we would refer to the website itself as the computer because it is a computer. So interaction. Interaction refers to the manner in which people and computers communicate with one another. So it is designed to accomplish the goal of ensuring that both parties get along well for the interaction to be effective. However, it is also necessary to find a balance between a number of competing factors and to bridge the gap between machine and human capabilities. So, what topics are covered by human computer interaction? So we have here the social computing, the brain computer interfaces, and the emotions. So social computing. Social computing involves the interactions between people and technology. So an academic professional can learn about technologies like instant messaging apps, social networking apps, emails, and blogs. Social computing leads to research in fields like sociology and psychology. So the brain-computer interfaces. It involve a direct communication channel between an external device and a human's wired brain. So brain-computer interfaces make it easier for information to go both ways. So this topic helps professionals fix, improve, and study the cognitive functions of the people. So next we have here the emotions. So HCI has evolved to use technology like face readers, eye tracking systems, and EKG machines to interpret human emotions. So the people who work in HCI use what they learn to make their information system smarter about how people feel. So their goals are for the system to respond to how people feel and to learn how to be changed to make it easier for people to make decisions. So why is HCI important? So the importance of HCI. The application of HCI is essential when it comes to the design of user interfaces that are easy to understand and used by a wide range of people. First and foremost, human-computer interaction or HCI can be beneficial for populations that lack information and formal training on how to connect with particular computing technologies. So with good HCI designs, users don't have to think about how complicated and difficult it is to use a computer system. So a user-friendly interfaces make sure that user interactions are clear, precise, and natural. So the importance of HCI in our day-to-day lives. So HCI in daily lives. When people use an ATM machine, so a machine that gives out food or a snack vending machine, so they have to deal with HCI. This is because HCI is a key part of making interfaces for these kinds of systems that are easy to use and work well. So we also have here in our industry, HCI is often seen as a necessary business driving force in industries that use computers for day-to-day tasks. So systems that are well made and easy for employees to use will help them do their work every day. So with HCI systems, um, it is very important when designing safety systems like those used in air traffic control or power plants. So in these situations, the goal of HCI is to make sure that everyone who isn't an expert can use the system and handle safety critical situations if they come up. So we also have accessible to disabled. So HCI usually uses techniques and methods that focus on the user to make systems usable by people with disabilities. So next we have the types of human-computer interaction. So we have here the ATMs, the offices and businesses, and the virtual reality. So ATMs. People use automated teller machines or ATMs to take out and put in cash by pushing buttons. So machines like these let people and computers work together to make the process as quick and easy as possible. So they also use HCI principles to make sure that the interface is safe to use and doesn't let sensitive information about a person slip through the cracks. So offices and businesses. HCI helps train workers for businesses. Some employees might not know a lot about software, but HCI can make it easier for them to use. So employees don't have to spend a lot of time and money training new employees. So if the systems are easy to use and requires little training, then it is also easy for the company to train their new employees. So virtual machine. Virtual reality makes it possible for users to experience real-life situations and points of view. So HCI is also often used in virtual reality. So it gives each person a unique experience by putting them in the virtual world. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So like and share, guys. Thanks for watching.